Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Resigning 4 here, and today we're going to be taking a look at Zurg from Lightyear. And oh my gosh, this figure, I just love it. I love it more than my other Zurgs that I got, mainly because this one comes with a blaster. It also comes with an interchangeable arm, which you can actually swap with the blaster. And the blaster comes with 3 missiles, which you can insert into his hand. I'm going to demonstrate how that works. So let me set this camera down, and then I'll show you. Alright, well, I got Zurg into his battling position. Now I'll show you how this works. There's like a little tab right here, and what you do is you press it, and watch this. Well, missiles fire. So that's neat. For articulation for this guy, his head can go up and down, as well as left and right and side to side. His arms can go up and down, and his hand can rotate. This arm can also go up and down as well. The wrist can go up and down as well. You can make Zurg do the splits as you want to. It's very cool. So yeah, there he is, Zurg. Now, to compare him against something, we're gonna take Buzz Lightyear from the movie Lightyear and stand him against his arch enemy. And he is very tall. Buzz Lightyear is accurate for the size, since Zurg is actually a big robot in the movie. Surprise, spoiler warning. Zurg is Buzz, an older version of Buzz in the film. If you haven't seen the movie, you may not want to watch this video. But anyway, so here's Buzz. And yeah, that's my review on Zurg with Blaster from the movie Lightyear. Bye.